Good morning. Welcome to your Thursday, December 13th, daily operations weather briefing. Currently over the local area, we do have a good amount of mid-level cloud cover that's streaming across the area, and it should be the case as we go throughout the day today, expecting ceilings pretty much around the 6,000 to 8,000 foot level throughout this morning and into the afternoon today, thanks to a departing area of low pressure off to our coast, which will provide us continuing cloud coverage over the area today. We do have some light winds out of a south to southeasterly direction, and they should remain fairly light with high pressure that will begin to build into the region throughout the day today and into the overnight hours heading into tomorrow morning as well. Surface analysis depicting that high pressure system building into the area, weak low, and also some weak upper level energy that is departing the region. Clearly see here with the area of cloud cover that is beginning to move off the Rhode Island coastline, and will continue to progress eastward. Still remaining, however, that we'll continue to see that low to mid level cloud cover, over the area today, with temperatures fairly seasonable, getting up into the lower 50s, as our daytime highs normally this time of year around 51 degrees. As we look at the current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we did have a broken layer at 6,000 feet, broken at 8,000 feet, light southeasterly winds at 5 knots with a temperature of 44 degrees. Over the next 24 hours, we should be green across the board in terms of hazards. Light southeasterly to southeasterly winds today, expecting to shift more southerly as we get past that noontime hour, and then temperatures rising into the lower to mid 50s this morning, daytime high averaging out at about 53 degrees today. Mostly cloudy skies continuing throughout the day today and into the evening and overnight hours. Temperatures dropping down into the lower 40s, which should be about 5 to 7 degrees above normal for this time of year. Expecting a low of around 41 degrees. Normally for this time of year, we're down in the lower 30s. However, we'll have light and variable winds, which could be conducive to potentially some patchy fog developing closer to daybreak tomorrow morning. However, expecting that only to be about a scattered layer at about the 800 foot level with only about 5 statute mile visibility, and it's only a slight chance that that's actually going to occur. Overall, should see a few at 1,000, scattered at 7,000, then broken at 15,000, broken at 25,000 as we head into tomorrow morning. But as was the case throughout the day today, again, expecting ceilings at around 6,000 feet throughout the remainder of the day today. Heading into Friday, however, we'll start to see our weather conditions begin to change as we'll have an area of low pressure that will be moving out of the southern portions of the United States and begin to affect our region during the mid to late afternoon time frame, as we could see some light showers begin to enter the region. And then rain becoming likely as you head towards the evening time frame. We'll get up to a high of around 57 degrees. And then Friday night, the area of low pressure will begin to make a jump offshore, and the upper level trough should start to see the better dynamics move across the region Friday night into Saturday morning, which we could see potentially some heavy rainfall, especially closer to daybreak Saturday morning. We'll get down to a low of 52 degrees on Friday. There is also the potential that any of those heavy rain showers could mix down some higher winds. So do have a slight chance that we could see some winds greater than or equal to 25 knots Friday night into Saturday. And then Saturday morning, again, rain could potentially be heavy at times, and then we'll start to see rain become more scattered and more light to moderate throughout the later portions of the morning and during the day on Saturday, with the area of low pressure beginning to make its jump offshore. However, we'll have a remnant low still remaining off to our west, which actually will begin to affect our region Sunday into Monday. So looks like a fairly complex setup as we go into this weekend, and doesn't look like it's going to be a nice weekend really at all, as we'll be seeing areas of rain for both Saturday and Sunday. It could even potentially linger into Monday as well. But for our day on Saturday, expecting potentially some breezy conditions, especially if we get some of those higher winds to mix down in the heavy rain. We'll get up to a high of around 61 degrees. Well, that'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you at 10 a.m. for the extended outlook. Have a great day.